Hey, what's up everyone? This is Eddie from Average Joe Drinks.
And I'm Vince, and we're here to make drinks suitable for the average Joe, just like my dad intended when he spent the bulk of his life collecting drink recipes. And we're here to make a few for you now, except for the original ones that Eddie's going to come up with.
And people have told me about it. Yes. So sit back, enjoy, and please try this at home. So there's an alien head.
This is really cool. I really like this. This is really super cool.
So you know how every once in a while you'll get these little small alcohols, or obviously you can go to the store and buy them yourselves. But I had some of these laying around, and I'm going to use some of them. But for this drink, actually, there's a colleague of mine, and I'm going to put the name of the drink somewhere here below when we do the editing, because I forgot the name of the drink. But he told me about it. We've made what, 4 or 5 different kind of hacker cocktails using energy drink, and
Drinks.
I'm gonna go get it right now. And here's the drink. So. He told me about this drink and it sounded amazing, and we're gonna make it right now and share it with you. So, simple drink, we're gonna have vodka. This is 1.5 ounces. So this is essentially a shot of vodka, if you will. And we're gonna kind of
Supplement.
Yeah, we'll supplement. And we'll mix them. I think it's fine, it's vodka. So we're gonna pour the ingredients out of this poor alien's head.
And we're going to get some pictures of this alien close up, because it's fun.
Yeah, he's kind of cool looking. I might have to put him in my office and keep him for a while. And then also we're gonna add, so 1.5 ounces of vodka per drink. And then I gotta just have some Tito's here. And we are, as always, making 2 drinks. Because
we make friends.
We like making friends. And I like the guy standing next to me, so I figured I'd make him a drink. So.
It's default. He owes it to me. He likes me because he has to.
No, you're one of the ones that choose. So, we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of cranberry juice per drink. And then, I'm going to shake this. I don't know if my colleague of mine that introduced this to me, I don't know if he shook it or not, but I'm going to. So,
before you add the carbonation, please.
Yeah, shake and then add and then top with that. So here we go. I think this is the right set. I don't know if these two, we're gonna find out. Okay. And that's it.
Being rusty is a wonderful thing because it makes it more fun.
Yeah, it's an adventure. All right, so we're gonna make this evenly dispersed. I'm going to double strain it. You don't have to, it just makes it a little smoother, gets a lot little bits and pieces out of here also. The first one misses.
Pieces of what though?
Pieces of ice.
Oh, ice.
Yep. So the drink it's a little smoother mouthfeel. And you can't really see it, but just won't spill. In the bottom there's some little ice chunks.
Oh yeah, there is.
You can prove I'm not lying. And then we're gonna top this with coconut Red Bull. And I'm thinking, on the fly, do 2 ounces of cranberry juice. The color's a little too light.
And that's one of the things about Eddie that's really cool, is that he knows how to do this shit. If I don't have a recipe, I can't make boiled water. And Eddie's like right here doing dramatic and wonderful things all by himself.
And
that's a great looking
drink. Look at that drink, that color looks amazing. You can stir it, but I'm not going to, because I think it looks cool without the stirring.
Well, it dissipates all by itself.
Yeah, it will, yeah. And we want it to be a little red, so if I wouldn't have put any more cranberry juice, it might have been too light. So this drink, named below.
The unnamed drink.
My colleague of mine. Here, another one of our hacker cocktails.
You can smell coconut. You can.
It's coconut, a little bit of berry too. Cheers.
Oh, that's good. Holy smoke. That's really good. Can I say it's refreshing, please?
Please, it's your turn. Oh.
No, that's really something.
The coconut's good. You get that little, oh, there's a piece of ice. Okay, it was bothering me.
The coconut's good. The cranberry's there.
A little bit of bitterness, but it's not too bad. Yeah, exactly. That's very good. Well, thank you very much. And the alien head juice apparently tastes good. So now we know. So, if you like what you saw, We'd ask you to do a couple things. You're already on YouTube, so please like, subscribe if you have not.
Slam that button.
Slam it as hard as you can, as long as you don't break your computer, because then you can't watch any more videos. Share with your friends. We just recently hit 1,000 subscribers. Is a very difficult thing to say.
1,000 subscribers, and thank you for that.
Yeah, thank you very much. We appreciate that.
We do have every intention of relaunching this, making it better.
Yep.
Having some fun with it. We could both use some fun. We're both working too hard these days.
Testing our livers out. So far they're holding up. So yeah, so thank you.
We're on Facebook.
Yep.
We're on YouTube.
We might venture out and TikTok, maybe.
Maybe OnlyFans.
I was about to say, I promise you I'm not going to dance or twerk, but I mean, if you're going to OnlyFans, I think you have to, so.
Okay.
Vince will, I will record with my eyes closed. Thanks for watching.
Thank you. Bye-bye.